Hello, I am Kodili-nye, the son of Wonderful. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night, depending on your geographical location and time zone. Soludo commissions the 26 kilometer Amansea-Ntokor-Ndiukwuenu-Ufuma road, all in Anambra State, Nigeria. Soludo commissions this important road. We are going to listen as he commissioned this road. Is a very, very important road that link a vast area, agricultural lands, forest reserve, Mamu Forest Reserve. We're going to listen to this, but before, remember to like, remember to comment, remember to turn on notification button. Remember to share this to your friends, share to everybody. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for all your support. And we will come right back. As you have, once we have finished watching this, I am still Kodili-Nye, the son of Wonderful. Stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. Thank you.
I'm going to go in the kitchen every week. I'm going to 3 times. Mama says it's solution there. Well, done. Over 1 month later, I started to spend a mobile to tell me. So I was going to I'm full. And at that time, I didn't easy. African solution. I'm the legitimate. I'm not going to do it. I'll tell you my article. I'm not going to take it. Now I have Jesus. Thank you, solution. I was kidnapped 2 years ago. Jesus Christ.
are you doing? Wait, move your hand straight.
So ana m ekele Mr. Governor because I'm a Kuzado. Mgbe na-abụ ya every machine ọgwụ enwe ike nye 6 months machine ya kacha arụrụ ụzọ arụrụ anyị na-agbaji ya na-agaghị nwanyị overspeed kama ihe m na-ayọchikwa ndị ọkada ibe bụ onye ọbụla debe aha obere nwere problem ntụrụ ọma emere overspeed ya ka na-ekwu ya ka nna ya ndị ọkada ibe m onye ọbụla debe aha na ebe nwere problem so ndị ọkada ibe m biko ebe ọbụla ọdụ usoro m kelee Mr. Governor because ọ dịghị isi Governor, welcome to our again. The brother going to visit the Eba. It was a part of our. I want to welcome you again and today. And after your 8 years, please come back here as a friend. And you're welcome in every home. Thank you. So, presentations can back up to say, thank you for being here. Thank you for a promise. Thank you.
Your hand.
Okay, thank you. Because I got caught here at the spell of Jesus. Are you ready? Give me J. E. S. U. and S. Jesus.
Hello, welcome back.
Because of what Soludo is doing.
The project of Anambra State government. This is the project of Anambra State government. I am called Kodili-nye, the son of wonderful. This is mind-blowing. This is a 26-kilometer Amansea-Ntokor-Ndiukwuenu-Awa-Ufuma, all in Anambra State, Nigeria, being commissioned. Soludo commissioned this great project, road construction in Anambra State. What a wonderful sight to behold. We must be grateful to God because God has helped the people. Some people will say, oh, is it not taxpayers' money? And should we be thanking him for doing this? But you forgot that there's a lot of past administration in the state that did not do these things in spite of the taxpayers' money. Some other people, some other governments might choose to just refuse to do that nonchalantly, but he did not. He decided to build this road for the convenience of the people of the state. So we must be glad. That's why people are dancing. That's why people are merry-making. People are happy because this is a great project. It is a great project. It's wonderful. It's something to thank God. It's something to be happy in a country that made its citizens very unhappy most of the time. So we must be happy about this. We must, say kudos to whoever that do good. We say kudos to the person because this is not an easy task. It's a wonderful thing to behold. I must thank God for what He has done. I must thank God for what He has used Soludo, Professor Chukwuma Soludo, the executive governor of Anambra State, to do in this area. So this is a great thing to be happy about. So thank you very much for joining us once again. Thank you for always staying and watching. I thank you for the time you have spent, the little time you spend in watching this. Remember, we brought to you the commissioning of 26-kilometer Amansea-Ntokor-Ndiukwuenu-Awa-Ufuma roads, all in Anambra State. So please like, comment, turn on notification button. Remember to share to your friends, share to many people so that many people will know about it. And comment. It's very, very important for you to comment. Comment. Come to the comment section. Remember to subscribe. I am Kodili-Nye. See you in the next video. See you. Bye.